Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a complete guide on how to turn on Vibrate notifications in WhatsApp groups on your Android device. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the three dots at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Tap Settings. Step 4. Now, tap on Notifications. Step 5. Look for the Groups option and tap on it. Step 6. Within the group, notification settings, locate the Vibrate option. Step 7. Finally, select either Short, Long, or Default to choose the desired Vibrate duration for WhatsApp group notifications. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on Vibrate notifications in WhatsApp groups on your Android device. Now, you'll receive a vibration alert whenever you receive a notification from a group. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tech tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.